Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So this is a reading which is going to be a little different from my other reads because this is a bonus reading first of all. And in this reading I'm looking towards your energies, whatever your energies is. I'm not going to talk about other person energy, first your energy, then I will see the person or situation with whom you are dealing with, that kind of energy which is coming towards you. Okay, and the third thing will be the outcome of the situation or with the person you are dealing with, or other scenarios whichever with whom you are dealing with, so that outcome I will see. All right, so let's start with your reading now. And this is a general reading, it might or might not resonate with all of you. And if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be notified about my latest readings, whatever I'm uploading, dailies or whatever is this. Okay, so cards are jumping. Alright, so your energies, those energies which you are manifesting towards you, are Queen of Pentacles, the Hierophant and the World. So you are calling that kind of energy where you are, for some people it is a kind of there's some person in your life and you are calling that person into your life like the world, like you want to marry that person and make that person your world. Okay, so that is what you are attracting, those energies. Plus yes, for some people I also feel that because with the Queen of Pentacles and the Hierophant, I really feel that there is some kind of you really want to move forward in your life with the money part. You want to grow, you want to see some new progress, and you want to just prosper a lot in your life. So that is why you are seeking a good wise person. For that you want to know if any good person who can help you in the business, so that your great business can grow and you can achieve the world, so that world will be in your hands. So that is what I also feel for some people. For some people it is also like there is an ending also. So that energy which you are manifesting is some kind of completion. With that completion I feel that there might be a divorce or might be a marriage completion where you are ready to just finish off that all those energies, and you want to just move past that energy. And with the whatever money you are going to get, or you are going to give to the other person, so that is what you just want to end all these things and you want to start new. Okay, so the situation or the person with whom you are dealing with, those energies, let's discuss that. Eight of Cups, the Emperor and the Hanged Man. So that person is very dominating, and or the situation is demanding something, okay, so which you are not able to give. And but this thing is just stagnant, has become stagnant in your life and from a long time. But it's like they also want to leave this situation. The situation also wants to just get rid of whatever this is. If this is the person with whom you are dealing with who is actually dominating, but this person is actually not taking any decision right now, because he or she wants you to take a decision regarding all this. If you are the one who has to decide regarding the marriage or regarding the divorce, so it should be you who will decide. So this is that energy which is around you, surrounding you. Okay, and this is not leaving so fast, because this person is somebody who is very very dominating, and he just wants the things done by his or her way. So that kind of a person where he says my way or highway. So that kind of energy is this. I'm going to clarify again all these cards. Strength, Nine of Cups and Ace of Pentacles. So this is the outcome. So over here, I really feel this is a very beautiful outcome, because you have wished for something, you have wished for your independence, you have wished for your um, new life from God, from the angels, and that is coming true because you are going to start something more stable, you are ready to start something new, and you are ready to just leave all those bad energies, whatever that was, regarding your money, regarding your uh, personal life. And I also feel that there is someone who is inclined towards more of a spirituality world. This money and all, they don't excite you anymore. You want to enter into some kind of a new um, world where you just want to enter spiritually, and that is what, because you are more into nature giver, and you also want, there's someone who is going to buy a new pet at your home, and you have wished for that from a long time. So this pet might, after this pet coming at your home, many things will change with that as well. So let's clarify now. Let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles in your energies. Hierophant, 10 of Cups, and 7 of Swords. Alright. So this is, for some people, this is regarding some kind of a marriage, because I see that there was some things, you were very happy with this marriage before, but after some time, you're because I really feel that this is you only. You might become sneaky. You have become some, or it might be the other person as well. Because with this card, with the 7 of Swords, someone has cheated, or someone has, after having such a happy family, might be children also involved in the situation. So, but still, this person cheated, this person found somewhere else, someone else. So that is what, when you are not ready to deal with that situation, you just want, if this wants to end, I'm happy, I'm more than happy if it will end, because there are many things you want to look towards in your life. Let's clarify the world. Five of Pentacles, the Hermit, and Queen of Swords. Yeah, so for some people who actually want to enter that me time and my me zone, there is someone who is calling that spiritual zone, that isolated mode. There is someone who has entered. So you want, please just, let's clear it off. Let's just end all these things, whatever this is. I just want clarity. I want, if you are ready to leave me, if I'm ready to leave you, fine. If we both were meant to be separated, I'm fine with that. So you have entered into some kind of spirituality mode, into that isolated mode. But there also, I feel that you need someone over here who can help you, who can guide you, wisely, how to just transform your energies. So this is what I really feel in your energies. They are coming very, you are not ready to accept any sneaky behavior, any betrayal mode. You have given, but this person couldn't give you that kind of thing. So that is why you have entered all, yoga, and you are doing your exercises, you are eating healthy food. So that situation. So let's clarify now 8 of Cups in the personal situation, or this any situation which you are dealing with. This person, or this that is leaving your part now. The end of your that thing. The Emperor, 2 of Cups, and the Magician. Yeah. So this person did something actually. Played some kind of a game with, there is something which is not, because with the magician is very good always, but with this energy, I cannot see. I really feel that this magician is that magician where, there every time there is something on his sleeve. So now which trick will he play? Now which trick he will play? So all tricks were so much ready with this person. He was very much stern. and he is like, no, it will be done my way only. Okay, let's see the Hangman. Death, 9 of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles. You know, the Sagittarius reading which I did, this card, the Hangman was not here, but the 3 cards which came this side only, these were the 3 cards same: 10 of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles and Death. I don't know, 10 of Pentacles was there, but these 2 were there. Strange. Might be dealing with this Leo only, sorry, Sagittarius only. Okay, so there's something which I feel that this person is also waiting for this ending, and he is not here, she is not doing anything in this situation, because this person wants, because the tricks have been played, so they have done their part, and now they're waiting for the result. So now they're looking towards you. Now let's see what this person is going to do. Let's wait. There is a situation with some family member, because I really see so many family cards. There is something with family issues, so this person has done his or her part and waiting, and the ending part to end all these things, that has been done. So let's see your Ace of Pentacles in the outcome. King of Wands, the Star, and 2 of Swords. Okay, so there is something, there was a hope that might be this situation will move towards your direction. So I really feel that you have some hope, and somewhere you are still ready. There is one person, a soft corner for this person towards you, and you want this, might be I can start again new something with this person, but to be very honest, this person does not deserve it, because this is the King of Wands, and he move on really fast. So if you are in that, because I see that you are in some kind of confusion after all these things also, there is some hope left, a little hope, just that if I will wish, because you are seeing that your wishes are granted. So if this wish also, if God grants this wish as well, so that is a little hope in you. So let's see what exactly now universe wants to tell you, what messages, what guidance universe is giving towards you. Okay, Knight of Rods, the Magician, and 5 of Pentacles. So the universe is telling you that, my dear, the separation has to happen, because if you will not separate from this thing, so your inner talent, you have something in your sleeve as well. You have some talent in you. It will not come out if you will not leave this situation. So the separation is very important for you to grow yourself. Okay, so that's all from my side, Leos. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.